Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kelly here. So for today's video, I decided to give you guys a tutorial on this teal green look that I created. I did wear this look. I believe it was in my cute hairstyles videos, which I will put a card up here. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So ignore the background. I am currently washing my bed sheets. So yeah, it looks a little funny. I know. But yeah, so we're just gonna get started. So I've already applied like my serums and eye cream and stuff. I did that after I rinsed my body. And so I want to create like a blue teal look today, something I haven't done yet on my channel. So yeah, I am going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. I know that in my makeup tutorials I've been using the same palettes, but it's literally because these are the only palettes I have. But I did recently just get a job, so I'm definitely going to start investing more on products so I can share with you guys. I do plan on doing reviews, and I'm going to stop talking because I talk too much. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyeshadow base with the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer, and this is in the color medium. So I'm just going to put just a little bit. I like priming my lids because I have really oily lids, so we're just going ahead and doing that. Kind of tapping my, don't want to be, I always say you don't want to be too rough on the lids, but I'm like here like basically dragging my lids, so I can't even see that honestly. So I'm just tapping it. I used to set my eyes with like powder after, but I realized that you're already putting a lot of eyeshadow on your lids, so no point, you know, there's no point. So for my crease, I'm trying to think what transition color I want to use. Okay, you know what, we're just gonna, I just got eyeshadow on my shirt, so I'm gonna go in with the color Pukey. Yeah, Pukey is in the second row and it's the middle one, so this one here. And this is going to be my transition color. And the reason I'm picking this is because it's a warm brown color. And I basically want that for my lids. Ooh, this is kind of reddish. Very red. So I am just blending that. I'm trying to look more to the center now. I've been kind of debating doing makeup tutorials just because like I can't afford products right now, but I realized that it's about the journey and not the destination. And you know, eventually I do want my YouTube to be my full-time career, but I want to be able to show like the whole progress of getting there because I do believe in myself. So yeah, I don't want people to think that they need to like, you know, afford products and stuff to get creative with your makeup. So I am just going ahead and blending that, and I'm gonna get a fluffier brush and just blend that out. And what is that an eyelash? But yeah, you guys, I have a lot of stuff planned for you guys for 2020, and I'm super excited. I have a lot of designs in mind. So yeah, I'm super excited. Eventually, you know, in the future, I do want to start my own clothing brand, like my own website, but you gotta start from somewhere, and I kind of just want to keep the ball rolling right now. I'm gonna go in with the color Jada. So, oh wait, wrong one. Jada. So it's gonna be this one right here. And I'm gonna get like a pointy brush and then put that on my crease. I feel like I just haven't created like a color. Ooh, she's pigmented. She is pigmented. I do want to make more videos with like, you know, other people, like my mom, my boyfriend, my friends. I just think it'll be super fun. Okay, I look crazy. I look crazy right now, but bear with me. Wow, this is actually really pigmented. I did not think this through. So as I'm blending, I kind of want to bring that out. And don't worry if it looks messy, we're gonna go ahead and clean that up. I feel like I am bringing it a little to my eyes, but like I said, we're gonna go ahead and clean that up. So don't worry too much about that. And the reason I'm using this is because this is really just gonna, this brush is really just gonna go ahead and define that line that I want. Just bringing that out a little bit. And I need to do my brows. So then I'm slowly gonna go ahead and bring that down. You can see, just bringing that more down to the lid, because this is gonna be kind of like my base for when I do apply that teal color. And like I said, we're gonna go back in with concealer and clean all of this, so don't worry about being too neat, but still blend as well as you can. I'm gonna go ahead and clean, and you guys are gonna see how concealer can be used to clean. So I am just going ahead and cleaning that. I'm not trying to create a cut crease either, like those that go out. I'm not a big fan of that for my eye shape for some reason. But I do want like I just want it to be able, like I want people to be able to tell that it's like separate and more defined. So I'm gonna go in the outside and then just clean that up. And I like shook. It's okay, you guys, I'm still learning how to do makeup. I am not here saying that, you know, I do makeup best or anything. I'm learning. I want to learn with you guys. So I'm just grabbing this flat brush. I did want to do a video where I try makeup for like from Shein. I'm so curious because one of the eyeshadow palettes looks like a dupe for Huda and it has good reviews, but I need to try for myself. So you see how we're just clean that up? Like, yes. So I want my teal color to just really bright up. So that's another reason why I put the concealer, because since it's white, it's just really gonna emphasize that brightness. With a flat brush, I'm gonna spray a little bit of any like setting spray, and then I'm gonna go in with the color Pool Party. Oops. So it's this color right here. And then we are gonna go ahead and apply that color to our lids. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Just kind of tapping it in. That is like, hi, I'm here. Oh my gosh. I love this color. It's such a pigmented color that I feel like you can just pat lightly as a way of like blending it. I love some bringing that out. I'm just tapping that. So with that brush done, I went in with the color Jada. I'm going to go ahead and just blend the crease just to make sure that it's still there. So, you know, I know that these videos are a little bit more lengthy because I'm talking, but like I just want to make sure that I'm describing what I'm doing in a really, you know, easy way to explain, because sometimes I don't like when videos are too rushed, and I know I've done videos like that in the past, so, and I like talking with you guys. Alright, so I think that's all I'm gonna do for the lids, and then I'm gonna apply my eyeliner off camera, because for some reason I can't do it. I can't do it. Alrighty, so I went to go ahead and apply my eyeliner off camera, and so then I'm going to apply my mascara, and I am going to be using the Subversion to prime, and then the Benefit Roller Lash, and then my favorite eyelash curler, the Revlon. Just curling my lashes. Curl those lashes. Yes, queen. Can we talk about the Super Bowl halftime show with Shakira and J-Lo? I feel like they both did amazing, and I'm kind of tired of saying this person did better, this person did better. Like, why can't we just celebrate both? I think they both did amazing. What I love about the roller lash is how it just separates your lashes and it doesn't make them look clumpy. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Tinted Moisturizer. This is the color Alaska, but I think I can be light the next shade up, because right now I'm getting tan again because it's getting warm in LA, even though it was like cold during the weekend. Putting it on my brush from Morphe. I've been liking this technique a lot, so I go ahead and just buff it. So I'm just kind of buffing that. I will say this does take a little bit more product if you're trying to do a full coverage. I just like evening my skin, so I only do like 2 pumps because I don't really put a lot of foundation on my forehead. I don't think it needs it. I just like blending it. Let me open let me open the door for my dog. So I'm just going ahead and blending up, and my dog's butt is in the background now. So I will say this hurts my arm more than if I just do it with the sponge, but hey, I just like it. I like the finish of it. I feel like sometimes the sponge can take out too much product, so I don't know, bringing it down to my neck. And I know my under eyes look a little crazy right now, but don't worry, once I apply concealer, that's gonna look a lot better. I'm just so obsessed with this concealer, the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. Like, it is the only concealer that does not crease under my eyes besides the Smashbox one, which I think is a super underrated concealer, by the way. Oh, so amazing. I don't like dragging it because I don't want it to drag my foundation or anything. I know some people like applying it with a brush first and then blending it, but we're just doing this. So yeah. And I just like blending it. You guys, as I was filming, I realized that I did not even set my concealer, but it's okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Creamsicle. So it's this bright yellow, and we're gonna put that in our inner corner and then bring it to like our lower lash line. Yeah, so we're doing that in our inner corner because I want like a different color to kind of be in this whole look. I'm gonna go in with the color Beam, which is this bright one right here, and then I'm gonna add that in the inner corner of the look. I don't know, I'm like, you know, like when you think you're going somewhere and then you just are not. And that's what just happened, so it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna speed this up. Let's go. For bronzer or for contour, should we contour? Yeah, let's go in with my Hoola bronzer and just bronze a little bit. This is a little travel size. I'm gonna just tap that. Guys, the Hoola bronzer is such a good bronzer. It's just so like pigmented, but it's so easy to blend. Sorry if the lighting's being like super weird right now. I don't know why it keeps like getting dark. But yeah, sorry guys. I don't know what's going on. Can I bring a little bit down? Have you guys ever done your makeup and you leave your house and then the sun's just like, girl, no, go do it again? I hate that. Or maybe I'm just not great. Just kidding, guys. I hope you guys know when I'm saying stuff like that, I'm just kidding. We are loving ourselves 2020, and I'm gonna keep saying it till you love yourself. You know, we just gotta love ourselves. Like, why wouldn't we want to love ourselves? Honestly. Okay, so for blush, why Kelly? I'm gonna go in with this palette that you guys have seen 10,000 times on my channel. Going in with the blush I Feel Beautiful. Tabbing that, and I'm gonna add some blush. I think I added too much. Okay, so I'm gonna go with my BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray palette. And for highlights, I'm gonna mix Moonlight and Radiate. As you guys can see, I've used this so much, but this highlight is insane. I feel like this palette is one of the most underrated products in the history of underrated products. It's just so, oh my gosh, I'm beaming right now. I'm beaming. So I'm gonna kind of, since it's so pigmented, I need to kind of settle down and stop being too crazy, because I don't want it to be like boom. You know? Let's go with my Fenty Beauty gloss. Let's just go ahead and do that, because I love this gloss. No one can convince me that this is not the best gloss invented. Oh wait, actually I really like the Kylie lip glosses too. I remember when they first came out, I forgot what, I totally went over my lip. It's fine because I'm talking. I remember, I'm not gonna do a dramatic outro because I'm too extra sometimes, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. It's just a really nice green color, green teal kind of color that just pops out on you, and oh, I love. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Wednesday. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.